Assalamualaikum students, this is your Miss Sadia from Chemistry Department. Welcome to my channel Avo Chemistry. Fundamentals of Chemistry topic. Our topic is types of molar mass. There are three types of molar mass: gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass and gram formula mass. Gram atomic mass. Atomic mass of an element expressed in grams is called gram atomic mass. When we express atomic mass in gram instead of AMU, it called as gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass of an element contains 1 mole of atoms. As we have discussed in case of molar mass, in molar mass amount of substance is 1 mole. Same in case of gram atomic mass because it is a type of molar mass. So gram atomic mass of an element contains 1 mole of atoms. Let's take an example of sulfur atom. How many number of atoms in 1 mole of sulfur? If we have a quantity of sulfur is 1 mole, so how many number of atoms would be present in 1 mole of sulfur? Yes, 1 mole of sulfur atom contains 6.022 exponent 23 atoms. So what is the molar mass of 6.022 exponent 23 sulfur atoms? Yes, students, if we have quantity 6.022 exponent 23 sulfur atoms, so in that condition what would be the molar mass of sulfur atom? The molar mass of sulfur is 32.1 gram. Is this the mass of sulfur atom equal to its atomic mass? Yes, students, in previous lecture we have discussed in detail what is the difference between the molar mass and atomic mass. So is this the mass of sulfur atom equal to its atomic mass? Yes, they both are same. So what is the difference between atomic mass and gram atomic mass? So students, what is the difference between these two terms, atomic mass and gram atomic mass? Let's see. Atomic mass of sulfur atom is 32.1 AMU, while the molar mass of sulfur atom is equal to 32.1 gram. It means that there is no difference in value, only the difference in its unit. So whenever we express the value in AMU, it is known as atomic mass, and when we express it in gram, it becomes the molar mass, or sulfur is an atom, or it is also known as gram atomic mass. Understood? Now let's go ahead. Atomic and gram atomic masses of carbon, sodium and copper. Atomic mass of carbon is 12 AMU and the gram atomic mass of carbon is 12 gram. Similarly, atomic mass of sodium is 23 AMU and the gram atomic mass of sodium is 23 gram. Atomic mass of copper is 63.54 AMU while the gram atomic mass of copper is 63.54 gram. As we know, gram atomic mass of an element contains 1 mole of atoms. Therefore, mass of 1 mole of carbon atoms is equal to 12 gram, mass of 1 mole of sodium atoms is equal to 23 gram, and mass of 1 mole of copper atoms is equal to 63.54 gram. So students, we can also say that molar mass of carbon 12 gram, gram atomic mass of carbon 12 gram, and mass of 1 mole of carbon atoms is 12 gram. Similarly, mass of 1 mole of sodium atoms 23 gram, molar mass of sodium is 23 gram, or gram atomic mass of sodium is 23 gram. And similarly, in case of copper, mass of 1 mole of copper atoms is equal to 63.54 gram, and molar mass of copper is 63.54 gram, and gram atomic mass of copper is also 63.54 gram. Now gram molecular mass. Molecular mass of a substance expressed in grams is called gram molecular mass. Students, for atoms we use the term gram atomic mass, and for molecules we use the term molecular mass, and when we express this molecular mass in grams, it becomes gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass of a substance contains 1 mole of molecules. Water molecules. Let's take an example of water molecule. Gram molecular mass of water has 1 mole of water molecules. If you have a quantity of water molecules is 1 mole, so how many number of molecules would be present in 1 mole of molecules? How many number of molecules in 1 mole of water? Yes, 1 mole of water molecules contains Avogadro's number molecules, that are 6.022 exponent 23 molecules. So what is the molar mass of 6.022 exponent 23 water molecules? Yes students, what would be the molar mass? Yes, Yes, the molar mass of water is 18 gram. And you know students, in previous lecture we have discussed that how do we find the molecular masses of different substances. Is this mass of water equal to its molecular mass? Is this mass of water equal to its molecular mass? Yes, they both are same. So what is the difference between molecular mass and gram molecular mass? Let's see. Molecular mass of water. First we will find out the molecular mass of water. Molecular mass is equal to sum of atomic masses of all atoms present in a molecule. So students, how many atoms are present in a water molecule? There are 3 atoms, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. We split this molecule and the subscript value becomes the coefficient, and after summation of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in a water molecule, finally we get the value. Yes students, 2 into the atomic mass of hydrogen, because we have 2 hydrogen atoms, plus atomic mass of oxygen, we have 1 oxygen atom. After putting the values or atomic masses, 2 into 1.0008 plus 16, and we get the final value 18.016 AMU. This is the molecular mass of water. So gram molecular mass of water is also 18.016 gram. So what is the difference between molecular mass and gram molecular mass? Yes, molecular mass of water molecules is 18 AMU, while the gram molecular mass of water molecules is 18 gram. Same students, molecular mass of water molecules is 18 AMU and the gram molecular mass or molar mass of water is 18 gram. So what have you observed? You have observed that same in case of gram atomic mass, there is no difference, only the difference in its unit. Now gram formula mass. Formula mass of a substance expressed in grams is called gram formula mass. Ionic compounds is represented by the formula unit that represents the simplest ratio between the ions of a compound. Example of ionic compounds: sodium chloride, potassium chloride, copper sulfate, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and so on. These are the examples of ionic compounds. Let's take an example of sodium chloride. Formula mass of sodium chloride: atomic mass of sodium plus atomic mass of chlorine. Formula mass of sodium chloride. After putting their atomic masses values, we get the final formula mass of sodium chloride is 58.5 AMU. Therefore, gram formula mass of NaCl is 58.5 grams. So both values are same, only the difference in its unit. Now, difference between gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass, and gram formula mass. Gram atomic mass represents 1 mole of an element, while the gram molecular mass represents 1 mole of molecules of a compound, and the gram formula mass represents 1 mole of ionic formula units of a compound. Gram atomic mass contains 6.022 exponent 23 atoms, and the gram molecular mass also contains 6.022 exponent 23 molecules, not atoms. And the gram formula mass contains 6.022 exponent 23 formula units. And the third point is that gram atomic mass of carbon is 12 gram, and the gram molecular mass of water is 18 gram, and the gram formula unit of NaCl is 58.5 gram. Let's review some important points. Mass of 1 mole. As we have discussed earlier, when we have mass of 1 mole, that mass is known as molar mass, and there are 3 types of molar mass: gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass, and gram formula mass. Gram atomic mass. The atomic mass of an element expressed in grams is called gram atomic mass. Gram molecular mass. The molecular mass of a molecule or compound expressed in grams is called gram molecular mass. And the gram formula mass, the sum of the atomic masses of the atoms that are in the formula of a compound, is known as gram formula mass. I hope students you have learned the types of molar mass. If you have any question, you may ask in comment section. Thank you so much students for watching my channel.